Hello my hair warriors, it's Aaron O'Brien here and welcome to my YouTube channel. What are we talking about today? Hairlines. Yes, we are going to show you how to touch up your hairline just to get you by before you change out your whole piece. This video is sponsored by Lordhair.com. Check them out. All the pieces you see in my videos are from them. They are amazing. Check the links below if you want to do any purchases. So what do you need to top up your hairline? Cotton pads, some adhesive remover, some skin prep, some extra alcohol, because we all know we love a little bit of alcohol. Well, don't drink this one. Some water spray, of course, some tapes or glue, whatever takes your fancy. So take a seat with me, follow me this way. So here we are, we're about to get started, but first of all, I have to look in the mirror and peel this back. You're gonna see a big sticky gooey mess, which nobody likes, especially me. Woo! So I take a bobby pin or a pin just to pin this out of the way. There we go, I look so beautiful. I'm so pretty right now, not really. So we wanna get rid of all this mess. What do we need? I'm gonna use the sunshine spray. So this is for lace and mesh units, but I'm gonna try it anyway because I'm a bit of a daredevil. So it says to leave it on for about 10 to 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna use a little cotton pad as well. I have got some alcohol as well, just in case, just to make sure I get rid of everything. Oh, it feels nice. Look at that. Now with cotton pads, it is always better as well to use. I like cotton wool sometimes too, but let's use this part on the inside. So open it up just like that. So you can see the cotton wool is starting to catch to the tape, and then you're gonna peel away. Oh, there it is. There it is. Now, if you need to get your fingers in there, you can, or just take your cotton pad and try be as gentle as you can. So once you get that, you're just going to peel it all the way to the edge, and you're going to cut that with the scissors, and you're going to do the same on the other side. So I'm just going to add a little bit of alcohol here just to clean up the rest of the system. Once this is all done, I forgot to mention what you actually do need, what's very important, is a razor to be able to get rid of any of this regrowth so the system adheres to the scalp correctly. Ooh. Oh, there we go. There she goes. I love to use one of these. You might have seen your daddy used to use one when you were a kid, and this gets super close to the scalp. All right, more alcohol. Get rid of all those little itty bitty hairs. We have our scalp prep. We put this on the skin so it's gonna last a little bit longer and it adheres to your scalp. Oh, I wasn't meant to be there, Tom. I think I broke it. So this is from Sunshine as well. This coat skin with waterproofed barrier. Oh, great. All right, so I have to let that dry for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now tape. This is your tape that you're gonna put on. You can put on this tape whatever way you want. You can put it on this way around. You can break them in half. You can cut them to size. And this is pretty much perfect for where I need to put it. And then I'm going to add another 2 pieces on either side. Make sure it adheres. And you have to get it right to the edge. If it doesn't, it's gonna lift. You're gonna be like, listen, bitch, why are you lifting on me? And you'll hate your life for a day or two. You have to take the system off and do it all over again. All right, so we wanna make sure that we get this nice and close to the edge. So get to the mirror as close as you can. You're gonna take your piece and you're gonna place it right up. Oh, there she is. Now, if we do have any edges that are overlapping, you can just place them back. Just hold back the hair and then fold over onto your piece, just like that, gently. Try not to put your finger on the glue too much or the tape, because then it would lose its adhesive and it won't stick as well. Okay, so we have our tape on this side and we're gonna do the same on the other side here too. And this is only to get you by for an extra week before you change out your whole system. Now, if you are using glue, make sure when you have your piece down, you can use a white marker or an eyeliner, a white eyeliner, and just mark along where your piece was down, and you can bring your Ghost Bond or whatever glue you choose to use down to that level before you put your piece down. Once this has been put on, You can roll it down nice and tight. Oh, there she goes. And then down we go. So you're gonna take your towel and you're gonna fold it over. Now tape works with tension, so make sure you place it down and you push. Push, like you're having a baby, push. It's adhered, it's on, it's living its best hair life. So you can see, like it's perfectly on the hairline. It looks so good. Other from that, you're ready to rock and roll. You can wash your piece afterwards if you like, just to make sure that there's no excess glue or pieces or anything hanging around there. Oh, there you go. I hope I helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe below and hit that bell for notifications if you want to see some new content. Also, if you love these systems, go to lordhair.com. I put the link below. Happy hair day. See you soon.